Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to mount your Blink doorbell using the mounting bracket that's sold on Amazon. So a lot of people are getting confused with this because there's not any directions that come with the mounting bracket. It's really pretty simple. You've got two different slots. First and foremost, if you're doing hard wiring like I'm doing, make sure you've got your breaker turned off. You don't want to electrocute yourself. You don't have to do hard wiring if you don't want to. You can simply use the AA batteries and just power it by battery. But with regards to the mounting bracket, you're going to mount your mounting bracket using these slots. You've got a slot up here at the top, you've got a slot down here at the bottom. This middle section is really just for your hard wires to run if you're wanting to use hard wiring. So you're going to mount your mounting bracket first into the wall. Then you're going to put your plate, this is the back of your Blink doorbell, you're going to put it on top of the mounting bracket, and then you're going to use the screws to mount your Blink doorbell back into the mounting bracket. So let me see if I can do that real quick. This is where your holes are going to line up. You'll notice that you've got two holes on the back of your doorbell plate. You've got two holes on your mounting bracket. So simply stick the screws through here. Forget about the doorbell right now. All we're dealing with, and this is a little bit hard because you have to line up the holes, but once you get it, there's nothing to it. So now you've got one screw there, and you're going to put your bottom screw. So now you've got your corner bracket connected to your wall with totally different hardware screws. Now you've got the back of your Blink doorbell connected to the mounting bracket with the hardware screws that came with it, and then all you're going to do is simply put your doorbell on, and you've successfully mounted your doorbell using the corner mount. I hope the video helps. If you got any questions, post them in the comments. I'll do my best to help you out.